To buy an ETF on Robinhood, you will need to start by opening the Robinhood app and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by following the in-app instructions. Once you are logged in, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the name or ticker symbol of the ETF you want to buy. You can browse through the search results to find the ETF you are looking for, and then tap on it to view its details page. On the details page, you can find information such as the ETF's current price, daily high and low, and its overall performance. You can also read news and reviews about the ETF to help you make a more informed decision. To place an order, tap the Buy button at the bottom of the screen. You will then be prompted to enter the amount of money you want to invest in the ETF. You can choose to invest a specific dollar amount or purchase a certain number of shares. Once you have entered the amount you want to invest, review your order to make sure everything is correct. Then tap the Confirm button to submit your order. Your order will be executed immediately, and you will be able to view your new investment in your portfolio. It is essential to keep in mind that investing in the stock market involves risk, and there are no guarantees that you will make a profit. It is always a good idea to do your research and consider your own financial goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Additionally, you should be aware of any fees associated with buying and selling ETFs on Robinhood. Robinhood does not charge any commission fees for ETF trades, but you may still be subject to other fees such as management fees charged by the ETF provider. By following these steps and doing your research, you can easily buy an ETF on Robinhood and start building your investment portfolio. Remember to always prioritize your financial goals and risk tolerance when making investment decisions.